In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell size to inches, centimeters, millimeters, or in pixels in Microsoft Excel. When working with layouts, printable forms, or dashboards in Microsoft Excel, sometimes you need your cells to match specific measurements. By default, Excel measures column width and row height using its own internal units, which can make it confusing if you're trying to design something that must follow exact dimensions. Fortunately, Excel allows you to switch the measurement units so you can work using inches, centimeters, millimeters, or pixels. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and go to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen. Click File and then click Options near the bottom of the panel. This will open the Excel Options window where you can modify Excel settings. Inside the Excel Options window, click Advanced from the list on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section called Display. In this section, locate the option called Ruler Units. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose the measurement unit that you want to use. You can select inches, centimeters, or millimeters depending on your preferred measurement system. After choosing the unit, click OK to apply the change. Next, go to the View tab at the top of Excel and click Page Layout. When Page Layout View is activated, rulers will appear along the top and left sides of the worksheet. These rulers display the measurement units that you selected earlier, making it easier to visually control the exact size of your cells. To adjust a column width, move your cursor to the line between two column letters at the top of the worksheet. Click and drag the border to the left or right. As you drag the column boundary, Excel will display the column width measurement so you can adjust it precisely. To adjust row height, move your cursor to the line between two row numbers on the left side of the worksheet. Click and drag the boundary upward or downward until the desired size is reached. If you prefer entering an exact value instead of dragging, you can right-click a column letter and click Column Width. Then type the width value and click OK. For rows, right-click a row number and click Row Height. Enter the desired value and click OK. When working with pixels, Excel shows pixel measurements while resizing rows or columns. As you drag the boundary, a small tooltip appears showing the size in pixels, which is helpful when designing spreadsheets for screen-based layouts. Using these simple steps allows you to control cell dimensions accurately in Microsoft Excel and create spreadsheets that follow precise measurements for both screen and printed layouts. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.